Hey there, my name is Simon at safeandvaultstore.com. Today we're going to talk about a pretty cool product. This is the GunVault RangeVault. It's intended to be a portable security solution for a couple of handguns that you may take with you to the shooting range, but I could see it having a couple other use cases as well. So we're going to open it up, see what it comes with, take a look at the product, program the lock. Let's get to it. All right, let's go ahead and open her up here. There we've got the safe itself. We'll take a look at what it comes with here. Looks like we've got 2 override keys in case your batteries go dead, along with some keychains. We've got a steel security cable, some bolt down hardware, looks like some rubber feet, and a screwdriver. Not sure what that's for, but we're going to figure out. And a quick start manual. Just taking a look at the box. It is solid 16 gauge steel all around, including the lid and even the handle, it would appear. We've got a piano style hinge on the back. Looks like the ends are at least covered so people wouldn't be able to punch that out. We've got a hole in either side of the body, presumably to use the security cable with. It's like on the underside we've got 4 bolt down holes if you wanted a more permanent installation. We've got a 3-number keypad on the front that can be programmed to use a 3 to 8 digit code, and we've got a slot for the override keys. So we'll just pop her open. It's like you don't get a full 180 open on the door, but it does clear it. On the inside, we've got a foam insert with 2 spots for handguns. You could definitely get a full-size handgun in either of those. And we've got 7 slots for magazines. Looks like you should have no trouble getting single stack or double stack magazines in there. Looks like the foam does come out, so that's how you would get to the anchor holes that are in the bottom if you wanted to bolt it down. And I could also see maybe taking that foam out and replacing it with foam that I had cut out for something like camera lenses or other electronics. That's maybe what I would use it for. Overall, pretty cool and unique product. We're going to take a look at how to put the batteries in here, power it up, program it with your own code, and how to use that code. So we've opened it up with the mechanical keys here. This is going to be your battery compartment. It's got a little lever on the side, so we'll open that up. It takes 4 AAA batteries, not included unfortunately, but I've already stuck some in there. Underneath this rubber stopper is going to be your program button, so we will pull that off. You've got a little hole there. It tells you to use a small screwdriver to hit the program button, so I guess that's what the screwdriver mentioned earlier was for. So I'm going to reach in, I'm going to hit the program button. We hear it beep. We'll put in our code we want to use. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we hit the program button again. That double beep should mean that it took. So now we will give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep, seems like it works. We'll close it up. Perfect. Now you do want to make sure that you put that rubber stopper back in, because that's what prevents someone from slipping in a coat hanger or something like that and hitting that program button, which would allow them to set their own code and get into your safe. I think this is a pretty neat product overall. There's not a lot out there that compares to it. There are some options from companies like Vaultec, but they tend to cost quite a bit more. And if you're interested in something like this, but maybe you don't need all the tech and the apps and everything that come with a Vaultec product, something like this could be a nice budget-friendly option. And I personally would probably use it for something like electronics and camera equipment, just so it'd be easy to take on the go, and I would put this inside of my larger safe. Again, this is the GunVault RangeVault. My name is Simon of Safe and Vault Store. Stay safe.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.